So the fastest way to learn any platform, any new thing, is just to jump straight into it and just do a lot of testing. And that's sort of what we do over the next few days. As you can see, I just sort of upload a bunch of videos, and I'm just like uploading like random stuff. Like I'm uploading videos of me like pressing juice, uploading videos of me like at a restaurant, uploading me on my travel journeys, uploading just videos of me filming cool plants, cool things. And yeah, I'm just sort of trying to figure it out, as well as I'm looking at what other people are doing on TikTok and what's working for them. And then guess what? One of these random videos goes semi-viral. We get 1,200 views on this video of me just pressing juice, which is crazy. And now I have 4 followers, and here's a clip showing all that and my surprised reaction. Alright, so update on the TikTok. So as you can see, we now got 3 followers. But check out the videos, like it's insane. I'm just posting random videos. I'm testing a lot of hashtags, testing a small amount of hashtags, testing using a very short hashtag, and check out videos, testing. I'm just playing around and like I'm getting views. I literally have 3 followers, but I'm getting so many views, which is just insane. So I'm slowly cracking the code. I think I'm really standing out by content, whereas like most of this stuff is like this would do well. This is what's popping off, I think. But looking at his views, yeah, this is sort of what's popping off.
Hey yo, project card check.
Memes like this is sort of getting old, but that's sort of what's big as well. So I'm starting to slowly figure it out. I'm just gonna pump out a bunch of random content, different hashtags, and just slowly try to understand how TikTok works and just grow it. Yeah, that's the update. I want to take you guys on the whole journey. It'll be pretty cool documenting everything. So I'll update you guys soon. And then I think I sort of hit into starting to understand the algorithm. Like, you guys are following the whole journey with me from the very beginning when I had 0 followers, and I just sort of figured it out on the go. Like, I didn't have some course to follow, I didn't have someone to sort of mirror. I just sort of just tested by throwing everything at a wall and seeing what sticks. And then guess what? On this next clip, I'm going to show how I went ahead and hit my first 25 freaking followers from 0. And we have 2 more viral videos, and I'm still uploading random irrelevant things. Just woke up and one of my videos, another 1,254 views, which is insane. You know, I went from having 6 followers to 25, got a bunch of likes, my inbox just blew up. But yeah, that's the current progress. I'm gonna sort of upload more videos, I think, because, you know, I think TikTok is also similar to YouTube, where it's all about watch time. And if you have something that's like watch to the very end, people watch to the very end, and you get a lot of views. So that's sort of what I'm going to try doing more. But yeah, that's the progress so far. 25 followers. And like literally I'm just posting random videos that I would have just posted on my Instagram story. And you know, my Instagram story doesn't grow my Instagram at all. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. As you can see, like random videos of me just skateboarding, random videos of me at a dinner table, those went viral somehow. You know, I have 25 freaking followers, and these videos are getting over 1,000 views. Like, that's why TikTok is so insane, and there's so much potential in TikTok, and that's why everyone should jump onto TikTok. And now I'm just sort of collecting data. I'm learning. I'm trying to figure out the hashtags. I'm trying to figure out what other people are doing. I just keep uploading new things, new formats, and just testing. Here's a clip of me hitting 29 followers. I find another viral video that went semi-viral video in a period of 2 hours, and I'm just uploading, I'm testing, I'm getting videos from my YouTube, putting it onto my TikTok, and here's sort of the latest update. Alright, so an update on the TikTok. We now have 29 followers, so it's slowly growing but exponentially. Been posting random videos. And we had another video that's currently gone semi-viral. It's only been like, I don't know, less than 2 hours. And check this out. I was just washing my car. It's already at 350 views, which is insane. And that's been getting me a lot of followers. Been posting the content that Sven, my editor, is making. When you go ahead and follow Kylie Jenner, you follow Chris, you follow Chris Renato.
That's cool. But yeah, this probably might be able to hit 1,000, the car wash video. A lot, and I just posted it. So I think the trick of hashtags, multiple a day, multiple content a day, and I see my account just slowly priming, getting stronger and stronger. I'm definitely getting more views than other people that have like 10,000 followers, just because they don't. For example, Jay Dharma, she's like a YouTuber, she does like entrepreneurial content. She does not get much views because she doesn't use hashtags. I think you want to definitely max out on the hashtags, and that's sort of what I'm learning. But yeah, 29 followers, so I'll keep you guys updated. I'm just going to post more and more content and just go with volume. And yeah, I have the power to do that since I have an editor. Plus, yeah, I'm going to go off volume very, very soon, just because I'm stacking up a lot of content that I could post from all my YouTube videos, and my editor's getting back to me with that. So I'm excited for the next wave of just like 2, 3, 4, 5 posts a day, and it's fun. I'm enjoying this. It's like easy, fast growth, and it's sort of addictive. Let's see how far we can take it. And yeah, that's sort of today's episode. As you can see, a lot of testing. I'm figuring it out, but I'm actually learning, I'm improving, I'm pivoting, I'm seeing what works, doubling down on that, and I'm just like testing, throwing everything at the wall, and I call this mass testing, and that's what you should do when you want to learn every single new platform. But yeah, I'm very excited to take you guys on this whole journey, take you guys along with me, show you guys my whole thought process, show you guys my whole mindset. And yeah, other than that, thank you so much for watching. Question of the day: how do you learn new platforms? Drop in the comments below, because when I first jumped on TikTok, it was confusing, it was strange, I didn't understand the UI, it was just weird. But then over time, I just sort of cracked the code and sort of understood it more and more. That's sort of how I learned, and you guys sort of saw that whole process and whole journey. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thanks so much for watching it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, document my whole journey, giving you guys every single little secret that I learned completely for free. Not going to package it into a course. You guys are going to get everything on this YouTube series. So yeah, hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow with tomorrow's episode. Peace.